Django TemplateSyntaxError, Staticfiles is not a registered tag library. After upgrading to Django 3.0, I get the following template syntax error. Here is my template.
If you have any of the following tags in your template, then replace it with. You have to make this change because %load staticfiles % and %load admin_static% were deprecated in Django 2.1 and removed in Django 3.0.
This worked with me. Replace %load static from staticfiles % with %load static %, where go to your virtual environment, then, and all of the .html files in the directory.
Try %load static % instead of %load staticfiles %. If effective CSS or any other files doesn't reflect in your template, then also write following lines in the end of your settings.py file.
This worked for me using Django 3.1.4. It's working for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.